Yo guys, what is up? In this video I'll be showing you my reference generator. This was made in Python and this can basically create a Harvard style reference. If you want access to the GitHub, here it is. I'll leave this in the description. So we'll be creating a Harvard style reference for this webpage right here. First we can copy the URL. Now if we run the program, it will ask us for the header. The header was Wikipedia. Press enter. Published what year? The year was 2024. URL, enter. And now we can type pull. And it will pull the reference from the text file over here. If we go to the text file, we'll see it has created the reference. So as we've typed pull here, press enter, and as you can see, our reference has been generated. We have the header, we have the year, the title, we have the URL address, and we also have the date that we created the reference. In the future, to improve this, what I'd probably do is make this into a for loop, maybe, because that way I can have the program repeat continuously and the user can create more references, and they get stored inside the text file. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.